Change your life, step by step. Sometimes people feel stuck in their lives. They wake up, go to work or school, come home, and repeat the same routine every day. Life becomes boring, and they start to dream about something different. The good news is that change is always possible. You can change your life, but it takes time, effort, and patience. The first step is to believe in yourself. Many people stop before they even begin because they think, "I can't do it." But this thought is the biggest enemy of change. You must say to yourself, "I can do it, I will try." Confidence is not something we are born with. It grows when we take small actions every day. The second step is to set clear goals. Think about what you really want. Do you want to study abroad? Do you want to learn English better? Do you want to start a new job or improve your health? Write your goals down. When you see them on paper, they become more real. A goal without a plan is only a dream, but a goal with a plan becomes a new life direction. After that, start with small actions. Big changes don't happen in one day. For example, if you want to learn English, don't try to learn everything at once. Read one page, listen to 5 minutes of a podcast, or learn 5 new words every day. These small steps may look simple, but after weeks and months, they build into big results. Another important step is discipline. Motivation can be strong at the beginning, but it usually becomes weaker over time. That is why discipline is more important. Discipline means doing something even when you don't feel like doing it. For example, going for a walk when you are tired, or opening your English book when you prefer watching TV. These little decisions are the secret to success. Also, don't be afraid of mistakes. Many people are scared of failure, so they never try. But mistakes are part of learning. When a baby learns to walk, he falls many times, but he stands up again. Life is the same. Every mistake teaches you something new, and every failure brings you closer to success. It is also important to surround yourself with positive people. If your friends always complain, you will start to complain too. But if your friends are active, motivated, and hardworking, you will feel inspired to be the same. Choose your environment wisely, because it has a big influence on your life. Finally, always be thankful for what you already have. Gratitude gives you energy and hope. When you focus only on problems, life feels heavy. But when you notice the good things, family, health, education, friends, you feel stronger to continue your journey of change. Changing your life is not easy, but it is possible. Believe in yourself, set goals, take small steps, be disciplined, learn from mistakes, stay positive, and be thankful. Every day is a new chance to begin again. Your future depends on what you do today. If you start now, in 1 year your life can look completely different.